finding these serrated points on the river. Got a little bit of rain last night, so I thought I'd come out and walk some creeks. I got something here. It looks like a Cobb's knife or something. Looks pretty decent. It's right here. Oh man, that's pretty nice. Let's wash it off. Oh wow, chalked and flint. That's nice. Look at that edge on that. It's all there too. It's black with blue streaks in it. That's pretty nice. Nice Cobb's knife. It's ground on this backside like these other ones I have. In a creek that flows into the Ohio, and about a mile behind me is where I find these palmer points. I find other stuff in the creeks here, but this is a nice blade. It'll work on that. Well, I'll get back if I find anything else. I haven't been here for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, so hopefully I can get another one laying out later. On the creek, it's about 45 minutes later. There's a lot of leaves down. I thought it was going to be way better today, but as you can see, there's leaves down on all my best spots. But I got another one that looks pretty damn nice. Looks like a Kirk bifurcate or something. Now, that's pretty nice. It's got a tip ding, but it's chalked and flint. And that's a Kirk. Being nice parallel chipping. Not the greatest point, but that's pretty nice for creek fun. Later. Looks kind of decent. Pick it up here. Wash it off. Oh, nice material. It's pretty. It's ground. An old looking point. Looks like it's impacted. You can see the impact down the side there and the tip's gone, but it's still decent. I can restore that. It's chalked and flint, I would say. You can see how pretty it is. Up later. Walking. Not as nice stuff as the river. That knife's pretty nice, but the stuff on the river is much better condition. And I like these serrated points, but this ain't bad stuff. Not bad at all. Thanks for watching the videos. Hope you enjoyed. Later.